In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy an event in Google Calendar. Whether you're planning your schedule or managing multiple events, knowing how to duplicate an event can save you time and effort. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring you feel confident in handling your calendar effectively. First, let's head over to your Google Calendar. Open your preferred web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account. Once you're on the main calendar page, you'll see your calendar grid filled with your scheduled events. If you're not seeing the right events, check to ensure you have the correct calendar selected on the left sidebar. The next step is to find the event you want to copy. This could be an upcoming event or something you've previously scheduled. Locate this event by navigating through your calendar, and once you find it, click on it to open the event details. Now that you have the event details open, take a moment to look over everything. Make sure this is the event you want to copy. This is important because all details from this event will transfer to the new copied event. With the event details open, move your attention to the three-dot menu icon, often located at the top right corner of the event window. Click on this menu to reveal a drop-down list of options. Here, you'll see an option labeled Duplicate. Selecting this option allows you to create a new event with all the same details as the original one. This is a handy tool whenever you need to repeat an event without manually entering all the information again. After you've clicked Duplicate, a new event window will open, pre-filled with all the original event's details. However, you're not finished just yet. This is an excellent opportunity to review the event information. Perhaps you need to make adjustments to the event's title, change the date, or update the time. Make any necessary changes to personalize the duplicated event to suit your needs. For instance, if the repeated event occurs on a different day, simply click on the date field to adjust it accordingly. Once you're satisfied with the new event setup, move to the bottom of the event form and click on the Save button. This action will add the copied event to your calendar. Return to the main calendar interface and double-check that the new event appears correctly. Verify that all details, including time, location, and reminders, have been accurately copied over. And there you have it. You now know how to effortlessly copy an event in Google Calendar. This technique will undoubtedly make managing recurring or similar events quicker and more efficient. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find this guide helpful as you navigate your schedule seamlessly. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.